At the heart of Washington, D.C., the World War II Memorial stands as a powerful tribute to the courage, sacrifice, and unity of the American people during one of history's most significant conflicts. This elegant monument commemorates the extraordinary efforts of an entire generation who, through unyielding determination, achieved victory in a war that threatened the very essence of freedom and justice across the globe. Designed by architect Friedrich St. Florian, the memorial is both grand and intimate, combining striking stone architecture with solemn bronze sculptures. Visitors are greeted by 56 granite columns that form a semicircle around the rainbow pool, representing the unity of the 50 states, the District of Columbia, and U.S. territories that stood as one against tyranny. The Freedom Wall at the northern entrance features 4,048 gold stars shimmering against a field of blue, each star commemorating 100 American servicemen and women who paid the ultimate price for liberty. The memorial's thoughtful design and poignant symbolism offer a serene place for reflection, remembrance, and education. Flanking the ceremonial entrance are two bronze plaques depicting Lady Freedom, enduring symbols of a nation rising together in defense of its cherished values. Detailed bronze reliefs and inscribed quotes throughout the site convey personal and collective stories of the war, speaking of battles fought, alliances forged, and the shared sacrifices of soldiers and citizens alike. Visitors can engage with knowledgeable guides who offer insightful tours, revealing the stories and symbolism behind the memorial's components. Self-guided walking tours are also available, allowing visitors to delve into the memorial's history and contemplate the war's impact. The Junior Ranger program offers an interactive experience for children, educating them about World War II's history and ensuring that the lessons and legacy of this critical period are passed down to future generations. The World War II Memorial's character changes with nature's backdrop, reflecting the seasons of Washington, D.C.'s climate. The open-air nature of the memorial offers a contemplative experience throughout the year, and visitors are advised to check weather forecasts and plan their attire accordingly to make the most of their visit. The memorial is not simply a collection of stone and bronze, it is a narrative carved into the landscape of the nation's capital, capturing the essence of a generation's courage and sacrifice. Through each element, from the soaring columns, the solemn gold star wall, to the serene waters, the memorial ensures that such deeds will never fade from memory. In Washington, D.C., amidst the bustling avenues and iconic landmarks, the World War II Memorial stands as an enduring reminder of what it means to be an American, to cherish freedom, and to honor those who have fought to preserve it. Plan a visit, walk among the memorials, and take a moment to appreciate the profound legacy of the greatest generation. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.